Hi, in this video, we're going to add our PRD document to Lovable. So remember the document you wrote into Notion in the previous video? I'm going to show you how to permanently add it to Lovable's knowledge base. Let's start by going to the Lovable chat where we last left off. Go to the upper left of the screen and click the downwards pointing chevron. This should reveal the menu. Then you can click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on Knowledge to bring up your Lovable knowledge base. You're going to see that there's a blank text input field for you to key in anything you want Lovable to remember. So go ahead, paste in your PRD right here, and then click Save. And it's simple as that. So now, I can ask Lovable in the chat, are you able to access and understand my PRD? I updated your knowledge base. Don't create anything, just read and understand it for me. Lovable will then scan its knowledge base and then update itself on how to guide the app development. In fact, in this case, you see that Lovable has even suggested some specific features to develop, which is in line with how I want my app to have more professional and sleek user interaction features. And well, that's all for this video. It's easy, right? It's not just your PRD. Any documentation that you create can be easily added to Lovable's knowledge base using what I've just taught you. In the next video, I'm going to show you a way of prompting LLMs to create more consistent outputs. See you there.